Hello, my name is Maria Prozorov, and this is part 3 of the Liveclassroom tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the content menu on your Liveclassroom. This includes learning how to archive a lecture, introducing the web page and using the e-board, uploading a PowerPoint, and also using questionnaires. Once you've logged into Blackboard, click on Virtual Lectures. Click on your Liveclassroom, and then enter the room by clicking on Enter Room. If this is your first time using Liveclassroom, you will have to run the wizard. If you've already run the wizard before, click on the Click Here icon at the bottom. Once you're in your Liveclassroom window, click on the gray round circle next to Archive on your right-hand side. You will be asked if you would like to archive the presentation. Click OK. You will know that your archive has started in 3 ways. First, next to the word archive on the right side of the screen, the word started will appear. Second, the gray circle will now have a red dot in the center. And third, on the bottom of your Liveclassroom, you will see the words archiving started. To stop the archive, click the red dot. It will ask you if you want to stop the archive. Click OK. You will see at the bottom of the screen that it says archiving complete, and it will also give you the title of your archive. The title comes from the date and the time that the archive was completed. If you return to the main window before you enter Liveclassroom, you will see a list of the recorded archives at the bottom of the page. A student will not be able to access the archives until you grant them that access. This is done by clicking on the circle underneath the access line. Once the circle turns green, your archive is now active. Your students can enter using the blue arrow. If you wish to remove any archives at any time, click on the trash can next to them. Once you're back inside Liveclassroom, on the right side of your screen you will see a content menu with several options. The first of which is the web button. By clicking on this, you have the option of entering a URL address and importing it into your Liveclassroom. For example, I can enter Temple's main website. You can then choose which window you wish it to be displayed in. It can be displayed in a new window next to your Liveclassroom window, the content frame, which is the main window within Liveclassroom, or in your own personal content frame if you don't wish your students to see the website. Suppose that I chose the main content frame. This is what it would look like when you click on Show Web Page. Students can scroll around and navigate the website. Another option on the right side of your menu is the e-board. Clicking on this will activate the virtual whiteboard. You can write on the plain whiteboard as it is in order to add last-minute notes, or you can upload PowerPoint presentations and then write on them. To import a PowerPoint presentation, go to the right side of your screen under the Content menu. Next to the drop-down menu, you will see a folded piece of paper with an upward-facing arrow. If you scroll over this, it will say Import PowerPoint. Once you've clicked on that, browse, find the file on your computer, and then click Import. The presentation slides will show up on the right side of your screen, under the title of the presentation. In order to preview any of the slides, click on the small P next to it. A new pop-up window will show up with the preview of the PowerPoint screen. You can then either push the slide to the main room or close it if it is not the screen you wish to see. In order to put the PowerPoint slide directly onto the whiteboard, click on it. Once you've added a slide, you can then add shapes, such as this arrow, add text, as shown here by clicking on the T button and typing, or add other types of shapes, such as an open circle. Once you're done with the screen, you can click Erase, and it will erase all the added images that you've created. To return to the original screen, click on the drop-down menu in the control panel and go to Default Content Folder, then click Go. As you see under this drop-down menu, there are different other folders. You can add folders to the Liveclassroom. You can also add questionnaires, open-ended questions, and multiple-choice questions. For more information on how to create those files, please contact us. Here's an example of what some questionnaires would look like. The open-ended question would appear like this. You have an open box where students can type in their answer, and then you can watch on the side the percentage of students who have responded. You can also see their results. A multiple choice questionnaire looks like this. And again, you can see the amount of students that have responded. You also have a simple questionnaire which combines multiple choice and open-ended questions. For more detailed information about how to use Liveclassroom and all of its features, view parts 1, 2, and 4 of the Liveclassroom tutorials. You can also contact us at 215-204-2712 or email us at online@temple.edu. Thank you.